G'day guys, I've spent the morning cutting these pieces to an accurate length and I've just marked out to where I'm going to put the mortises in here, and I've struck the same problem that I strike every time that I come over here. My crappy router table fence, it's just two pieces of chipboard screwed together along the bottom. It's not great, it's never been great, it sort of works, but in this case I need to put that stick out there somewhere, lower it down and move it across, and then one down here, move it across, one down there, move it across, and one back here and move it across. But as you can see, the two mortises on the ends, the stick hangs over the end of the table. So I need to attach a stop here somewhere. What I'd like is this fence just to be an extra 300mm long either end, and that way I can just clamp straight to the fence. So that's why I'm going to build a new fence. Too easy. All right, good buddy, you've got a date with the bin. Bang! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like it. So the way this will work, I set it in position and then I'll throw a clamp over the top each side and she's rock solid. That's all I've ever needed with a router table. I don't need adjustable fences, I don't need an adjustable slot in the middle there to open and close it, because what I can do is I can just release those clamps and move it up near the cutter on the right hand side as I face it, because this portion here, it doesn't do anything for me. This acts as the chip breaker and this is just the other side of the fence, it does nothing. If you like that video, be sure to give it the big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, share it with your mates, and if you want to see the fence in action, come back tomorrow as I continue to build a set of bedside tables. But anyways, thanks very much for watching and I'll see you next time.